Hi guys! Today we are going to make a macrame keychain. All you need to know is two knots, double half hitch knot and lark's head knot. If you don't know these knots, don't worry, here is a tutorial. This time we chose 3mm single twist macrame cord in Peacock blue. So let's do this! Let's start by cutting the cords. You will need 4 cords of 100 centimeters and 1 cord of 25 centimeters. And the last one. In addition, you will need also a key chain ring. Hang the ring and start hanging the cords using lark's head knot. And it's ready. Tie the first double half hitch knot. There will be 3 of them on the left side. When you finish it, repeat it on the right side. Connect the left and right side, tying double half hitch knot. Using the outermost cord as a core, make another knot. Repeat it on the left side. Using the middle cord as a core, tie the 3 knots with the cord on the right. Repeat the same on the left side. Now, using the outermost cord as a core, tie the 3 double half hitch knots with the cords on the opposite side. Repeat it on the right side. Connect the left and the right side, tying double half hitch knot. Using the outermost cord as a core, make another knot. Repeat it on the left side. Using the middle cord as a core, tie the 3 knots with the cord on the right. Repeat the same on the left side. And we finish. All that remains is to tie the last gathering knot. Take the shortest part and tie the gathering knot. Cut the excess cord. Cut your keychain according to your preferences. Brush it. It's done! Congratulations, you've made a macrame keychain. If you make one of these, show it proudly on your Instagram or Facebook and use hashtag Bobbiny so we can see it. And we are curious which color you will choose for yourself. Let us know in the comments section. Bye!